Is up, guys? I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. We're at Walmart and we're about to go see if we can do a $20 fishing challenge. So I'll see you guys inside. We just made it inside and the first thing I see is all of these. And not gonna lie, I really like this one a lot. I love the color of it. It's a spinning reel and it's only $12.38. And I mean, it feels good. Like, I can definitely catch a bass on this, but we're gonna keep looking a little bit more. These are really expensive, already past our budget. And these are only $26 for a full-on catfish rod. But I don't know, guys, this might be it right here. Now we need to find a bait that we need to use. And I really like the way this looks. It's like a melted crayon color, and that black in it should show up good in like dark water, which I don't really know how the pond is going to be looking. We're probably going to go with a soft plastic bait though. I don't know. They have the small spinners. These are only $3.13 for like the little Pond Magic spinners. These are $3.98. Oh, these are $2.86 right here. We should just be able to get away with one pack of baits. And I think this is it. It's the lizard color with a little chartreuse tail, and they're only $2.89. So that's 13 plus this, that's $15. And we already have a pack of baits and our spinning reel. So now we just need to get some hooks. I'm looking at the hooks and I do not see any like wacky rig style hooks or anything like that. I might just have to go with an octopus hook, and they're a little bit more expensive than I was wanting. They have these size 1 octopus hooks right here. You get 8 of them for how much is that? $3.97. And then we're gonna get a small pack of worm weights, and that should put us right at our budget. All right, so this put us at only $22.60, and that's bait, rod and reel with hooks and a weight, which is really good. I'm excited, and that put us at almost exactly $20 before tax, almost. So I'll see you out in the water. This is everything we got right here. And honestly, this water looks pretty good for this color right now. My gosh, these love bugs are terrible. Alrighty, there we go. What y'all doing? Don't worry about what I'm using, big dog. You using a flute? You think you're gonna catch fish with that? Cause I'm about to tear them up with this, bro. Well, y'all have fun. Oh, there's a switch, of course. For 12 bucks. Let's see. Ooh, that feels weird. And it's called a wafer. I don't know what pound line is on this. They got one right there. Oh, he already caught one. Look at him. I'm telling you, he knows where the fish are. Good job, buddy. Cast right where he was at. What you talking about? He already caught a fish.
Help me. I don't know how to take it off.
Tristan, he don't know how to take it off?
I thought you said you took off your fish with you.
Oh, shoot. There we go. Look at that. First fish. Man, did he eat that?
I think that's the same size.
Mm-hmm. Here, come see. I'm going to let it go for you. Man, these hooks are sharp. Oh, buddy. Oh, like mine. He's moving, huh?
Mine's a little bit bigger, I think.
I don't know, man. You know, I catch big fish. Oh. No, I'm joking. Nah, these some little guys.
What kind of bait are you using?
Why are you trying to find out, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's barely even hanging on.
Man, he's barely on. And you couldn't get this off?
No.
Look, all you do is... Bloop.
Oh.
He's off.
So I'm just going to go back to my spot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. That was terrible.
There's a fish right here.
She mean a tricky fish.
You got it?
The wind knot. Oh, shoot. That's a good one, too. And I got a wind knot. He's just going to have to come with me. Oh, shoot. There we go. Man, I have the worst wind knot in this line.
Where you cast?
Huh?
Where you cast?
Why are you worried about that?
Where you cast?
Here, throw it here. Cast right over there. Here, go to that corner.
There's no fish over there.
I'm telling you. I'm going to go catch one over there then.
No, you won't.
Alrighty. That is 2 on the board with our Walmart $20 rod and reel.
$20.
Hey, $20.
I could buy that.
Hey, $20 with the rod and reel, the bait, the hooks.
I could buy that.
Hey, they got a swirl right there. Remember?
That's over there.
Nah, bro, you gonna catch that fish. Where's the tricky fish at?
Over here. Try catching it.
No, I'm gonna go catch it.
Okay.
It's over here?
Right when you left that stuff.
Look at the action of this bait in the water. That looks so good. It's just vibrating its way down. Oh yeah. We'll catch one on this gas. You gotta watch these little kids, they sneaky. Look at them, bringing this chair over here. Huh. You gonna fish while I'm fishing, huh?
Yeah. Because I know there's a nest.
A nest? Like a little bed? Oh, look at him, he got him. Oh. That's what you got for that tricky fish, huh? Boy, catching sticks. Get up on this corner over here again. Ooh. Let's see. It's really hard to feel when you have a fish on this thigh. You'd think it'd just be dragging, but it's not as sensitive as you'd think. I'm gonna go help your brother out.
Yeah, you might want to.
Hmm?
You might want to.
He sucks. How about a fail, dude? Oh, I felt that. I felt that. Oh, it's a little fish. Look at him.
That's way smaller.
Little dude's going nuts, huh? Now you can't feel every bite, but when you do get a fish on this, it feels giant. Catch one right here. Oh yeah, it's, oh my gosh. It felt like a fish. Look, you see this? I'm telling my uncle be teaching him this stuff. Am I on? I'm on a fish. Boy. Another one. Another one. Ow. Dang. The dude got me. Alright guys, y'all comment below what y'all think I should do next. If y'all want to see another challenge or another tournament, you guys let me know. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. And I was just about to leave out too. Dang boy. Here look, let's show Tristan what a fish is. Man, I'll be messing
over there. That's probably the one
I'll be messing y'all's names up today. Ow. He'll get a little bigger. Oh shoot, he came back for me. Dang. Woo, you saw that, bro?
Yeah.
Man, he was like, you want to catch me? We just made it back to the house, and I just wanted to let y'all know that with $20, you can get into bass fishing. It's not gonna buy you the best of equipment or the top of the line stuff, but it will get you by, or into it at least. All you need is $20 and a great pond to go to, and you can have a blast. Let me know what y'all wanna see next, and I'll see you guys next time.